Wow, so beautiful. My white bearded purplicious iris. She's blooming beautiful. Ayan guys. Wish everyone a happy Saturday weekend. Enjoy your weekend guys. Take care and be safe wherever you are. Oh, so sweet. Why they called bearded iris? Look at that. You're a bird. Bigote. Ayan. Beautiful. And it's still raining. Thanks God for a beautiful rain. Our ground is soaked and wet. Thanks for watching. Love, Nancy. Please subscribe for more. Ayan. So beautiful, isn't it? Oh, so sweet indeed. Thanks for watching.